Hey y'all, it's Jody Mae. Thanks for joining me. This is Golden Corral's Seafood Salad. If you guys want to check out other videos for copycat recipes, check out the link in the description box below. Let's get this going. For this recipe, you're going to need some green onions, 1 stalk of celery, some real mayonnaise, some pepper, and some imitation flake style crab meat. Let's go. Okay, to start off with, you are going to cut very thinly, should I say, without being so proper, some green onions. And I know I don't cut properly and all this craziness because I don't know, just never learned to cut my vegetables very good, I guess. I don't know. But anyhow, you want to cut them up really small. And then we'll be doing the same thing with the celery. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut up, and I'll show you the next. Okay, and then once you've got your celery and your green onions cut up, and you want to chop them up really small, then you just want to start shredding your crab meat. A lot of times I will just take a fork and do this, but it takes forever either way you do it. So if you guys have any clue on how to shred this any faster, you guys drop me a comment below, because seriously, this is the longest part about doing this crab salad. But you guys, this is a super easy but very delicious recipe, and I'm telling you, my grandmother, every time I went to see her, she would have me make it. So it is very bittersweet for me to be making this in this collab video, but we love it anyway, and we haven't had it for a while. But since my grandmother passed away, it's really emotional to try to make it, because like I said, every single time I went to see her, she always had me stop and get the stuff and make it for her. So it is a very good recipe anyway, but it is very memorable as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this crab meat all shredded up. You want it into thinner pieces, kind of like this anyway. And like I said, it's going to take a few minutes. So let me go ahead and get that finished, and then I'll be right back with the next step. Okay, now that I have the crab meat shredded into tiny little pieces, then we're going to start adding in all the goodness. We're going to start off with, and this is about double what I normally make. I normally just make 1 pack, and I normally put about 1 heaping tablespoon in, or whatever you want to call this spoon. But this time I'm going to go ahead and add probably about 2.5 of, these are just like heaping tablespoons of real mayonnaise. To that, I'm going to add in probably about half a teaspoon of pepper, and then of course the 1 stalk of celery, and then we're going to add in the green onions, and you guys, if you guys haven't ever had this, I'm telling you guys, it is really good. Like the first time I ever had it, I think I was like 21 years old, and I went to a Golden Corral in Portsmouth, Ohio. It was the very first time I'd ever ate it, and I fell in love with this stuff. Like, oh, it was so good. And then through the years, I would go there quite often just to get their crab salad. I think they call it seafood salad, but it's truthfully just crab meat, really. So, and then you just mix it up really good. Now, to get the best flavor out of this is to let it sit overnight and kind of sit there and let all the flavors kind of combine a little bit. And I'm telling you what, this is a hit. Now, my husband doesn't care for crab meat. He doesn't care for a lot of different fish meat, and he loves to go fishing, so you'd think he would love fish, but no. But me and TJ love it. So this won't last long at all. But like I said, it's been a while since I've made it, and this was my grandmother's absolute favorite food. But I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit that description, or hit that link in the description box to check out all these great ladies' copycat recipes. And there you have it, guys. Golden Corral's seafood salad. It's super tasty. You guys have a great day. God bless you. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you don't miss any future videos. You guys have a great day.